Have you ever tried getting a popular hairstyle that you've seen on a celebrity just for it to look horrible on you? It's because you're ugly. Nah, but for real, it's probably because this style doesn't suit your face shape. It's super important to know your face shape and more importantly, what style works with it, because with just a few tweaks to your hairstyle, you could be looking like a whole new guy. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing y'all how to identify what face shape you have and the best curly hairstyles for each one. So make sure to subscribe and crack out the notepad because I'm about to change your life. All right, to start, you first need to know what face shape you have. There are 6 different ones: square, oval, round, rectangle, triangle, and diamond. Square is the face shape that I have, and that's where your forehead, cheekbones, and jawbones are all the same width on your face, and the length of your face is about the same. With this face shape, you could really rock whatever, but if you want to look your best, go shorter on the sides and a bit longer on top like this, which will help your face look a bit longer. Of course, having a beard similar to mine can also give the same effect by adding some extra angles to your face. With a square face, you kind of want to avoid having a ton of hair on the side because it makes your face look even bigger, makes your jaw look wide, and your sides look really messy. Now, I just got a cut a few days ago, and the difference it makes in my face just getting a taper and a trim in my beard is absolutely insane. And I'm telling y'all, whether it's a taper, a bald fade, or a burst fade, you will look clean with just about any style. And yes, that includes braids, the curly middle part, or this very popular style with the low taper. By the way, before I continue, if you want to know how to find your face shape in a super simple way, go to TikTok and under the effects, search face shape. This filter will give you an outline and allow you to click through different face shapes, and what you will want to do is just line it up with your face and see which one fits the best. Now, moving on to the next face shape, I'm talking oval. This is when your face is wider at the brow than your jaw, and the length of your face is longer than your cheekbones. It's almost like an egg shape, and as bad as it sounds, it's really quite the opposite. Celebrities like Justin Bieber, Idris Elba, and A$AP Rocky all have an oval shaped face. And the best thing about this face shape is that it's pretty symmetrical, meaning you have a ton of options when it comes to styles. Now, for the best look possible, you first want to avoid wearing your hair hanging on your forehead. This will make you look more feminine and make your face look more rounded than it is. Instead, try styles that are tight to the ear and really whatever length on top. Buzz cuts, crew cuts, and even a curly mullet like this will work well with this face shape. But if I'm being honest, just about anything works as long as the style isn't too bulky on the sides. Moving on to the round face shape, this is where the cheekbones and the face length are pretty similar, as well as the jaw being a little bit less defined. Someone like Leonardo DiCaprio is a great example of this face shape, and the #1 rule is if you have a round face, you want to avoid getting buzz cuts. This will frame your face and really only make it look rounder, so to avoid this, you'll be looking for hairstyles that stretch out your face. Once again, you'll be looking for a cut with tight sides and a lot more volume on top. Something like this curly slick back with a nice taper on the sides is a great look to try, or for those with a tighter curl, something like this clean look from Odell, or even this signature burst fade, which will all give you some much needed volume to your look. Next up is the rectangle, and this is when your face length is the greatest measurement on your whole face. Width-wise, everything will be pretty symmetrical, but your face length is likely larger than most others. In contrast to the round face shape, your goal here is to not make your face look any longer than it already is. So for those with a rectangle face, you'll be looking for styles that have a bit more bulk on the sides and in the back. Lucky for you, long hair is really in style at the moment, so styles like this curly middle part, low tapers, braids, and of course the buzz cut will all suit this face shape perfectly. If you're looking for more inspo, a few popular celebs with this face shape include Travis Kelce, Giannis Antetokounmpo, Will Smith, and Tom Holland. Moving on, I'm talking the triangle face shape. This is where your jaw is wider than the rest of your face, almost creating that triangular shape. For this one, the goal is evening out the weight of your face. To achieve this, you'll want more length on top, moving that weight up, giving your face a lot more of an oval look. I'm telling y'all, volume is key to look your best here, so this is where that curly fringe look comes in. Styles like this messy look by Timothée Chalamet, and of course rocking that natural fro with a nice low taper. As for facial hair, I'd recommend avoiding anything too bulky, just because that added weight will make your jaw look even wider, making that triangle shape a lot more drastic. A few celebrities with this face shape include Kanye West, Patrick Dempsey, and of course Timothée Chalamet. As for products that can help you achieve more volume in your curls, I recommend checking out a great mousse like this one from AG Care, or even a more affordable one like this olive oil mousse photos from ORS. Finally, we're talking the last face shape of this video, which is the diamond. This is when the cheekbones are wider than both your forehead and your jaw, and honestly, this is probably the most rare of the face shapes. Thank God for that, because there would be a lot more models running around if not, due to its stronger structure in the cheekbone. The goal here is a hairstyle that elongates the face, so once again, rocking that curly slick back or bulk on top with a mid taper will be a great look. Shit, you'll even look fire with a messy wolf cut. All three of these styles will allow you to cover your narrow forehead and naturally elongate your head. As for facial hair, I'd say light stubble or a clean shave is your best look, especially if you have a sharper jawline, because you really don't want to cover that up. Once again, if you're looking for inspo, a few celebs with this face shape include Zayn Malik, Bruno Mars, and Nick Jonas. Now guys, if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to subscribe. Also, make sure to follow my TikTok and Instagram for more updates, which will be linked in the description below. And as always, make sure to have a great day. Peace.